Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to respond with a GIF in a team conversation on Microsoft Teams on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer and account for Microsoft Office 365. This can be work, school, or business. We also need to have access to the desktop application, Microsoft Teams. So we're gonna go all the way down to the dock, go to Launchpad, go to Mac Office, now go to Microsoft Teams. Let's just wait for that to load, and then make sure you are signed into the account. Now go to the left hand side navigation menu, go to Teams, go to your Teams, go within your channel. Let's just go to General, go to a conversation, let's go to Reply, and now click on GIF, and now let's just search for a GIF of your choice. I'll just search for YouTube. Let's just click on the first one, and this is what we will use to reply to the conversation. Click on enter. We can choose to play the GIF or pause the GIF, which we have done on screen. If we play it, it's a moving image, and so we can now, if we wish to, quit Microsoft Teams. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science videos from the start until now.